I am Dr. Arivalagan Arumugam. I am currently a freelancer in industrial project management and consultancy services. I have 40 years of experience in industrial project management in manufacturing companies and project management and consultancy companies in both in India and in Indonesia. My skills include project planning, scheduling, basic engineering, project procurement of major plant and machinery packages, detail engineering, procurement of bulk materials, logistic management, vendor selection and inspection, management of construction and commissioning, participating in performance guarantee test and project closure activities. I do also have negotiation skills, recruitment skills, that is interviewing the engineers for project and consulting business. And also I have marketing skills that I have obtained 2-3 major orders for my consultancy company. And I am a mechanical engineer with the 3 master degrees in management as well as PhD in operations management. I have worked in pulp and paper mills, sugar mills, petrochemicals, paint manufacturing and viscose rayon fiber production plant, chemical manufacturing plant, power plant including nuclear power plant and cogeneration plants. I am looking for opportunities in project management and consultancy services, procurement services, recruitment services, energy management services. I am also a certified energy auditor and certified supply chain executive as well as certified ISO 9001 lead auditor. My hobbies are astrology and learning AI tools. Thank you very much.